Hello everyone. Hey, hi, how you doing? Welcome or welcome back to Cake Creations. In today's video, we will be making this Breakable Bear chocolate covered strawberry arrangement. Let's get started. Of course, you want to start off with melting your chocolate. Here I'm using the brand Ghirardelli and I do 30-second intervals in the microwave. Spread the chocolate evenly throughout the mold and get all of those edges with your spatula. That is the area that we want to always focus on with these molds, is the edges and the corners, to build up the layer so that when we remove it, it doesn't break apart. And then leave it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the edges are pretty thick. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial on making this mold, just leave a comment down below and I'll make that video for you guys. Make sure to take your time and gently remove it, and it should come out nice and perfect. Next, we have the pearl necklace. Simply add a dot of the white chocolate so that it blends in with the bear. You will use the white chocolate as an adhesive to attach the pearl to the bear. And if you make any minor mistakes, you can just clean it up with a toothpick. How do you guys think it came out? Isn't it so cute? It's wearing a little pearl necklace. Up next, we're filling in this butterfly mold. I like to fill in more than what I need, just in case if one falls or breaks, I'll have backup. Also, I will have all of these materials linked down below in the description box. Go ahead and tap it on the table a few times just to make sure it gets into all the crevices and you get any air bubbles out. And then you can place it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to dip our strawberries. The consistency of the chocolate matters. If it's too runny or if it's too thick, it will affect the coating of the strawberry. Measure out how far to go in with a toothpick before sticking it in, just to make sure you don't poke it through. Shake off any excess back to the cup to prevent any of it dripping down. As far as the piping design, we're just going to keep it simple. Just move it from side to side from the bottom up. Before that sets, go ahead and attach the butterfly mold and hold it in place for about 10 to 15 seconds. Off camera, I did the same simple design, but instead of the butterfly, I sprinkled on some sugar crystals, sprinkles, little pearls on one side of the strawberry. Add a butterfly to 4 of them and sprinkle on the candy to 2. We are halfway done. Now it's time to set up the packaging. These flowers you can actually find at the dollar store. They have a lot of really pretty options. To find the placement for them, just throw them around, see what looks good, where it looks good. Don't be afraid to make changes, to add on, to remove, to redirect the positions. Just go with the flow and see what you come up with. And now it's time to add all of the goodies that will be placed under our adorable Breakable Bear. Uh-oh, looks like she's a little too stuffed. Just remove any of the excess that's spilling out, and the rest you can just tuck it in wherever you're able to. Finally, it is time to place our strawberries in. Adding 3 to each side and making sure each row matches. And we're done. Hope it turned out great for you guys. If you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Hope you have a good morning, a good afternoon, or a good night, wherever you are. Till next time.